Hello everybody, welcome to yet another video on prompt engineering and ChatGPT. This is part of a playlist in which we are trying to help you understand what is prompt engineering, what are the prompts that can help you to upskill, as well as prompts for content creation and prompts for getting a better job interview. So all of this we will learn, and all links for all the resources as well as the topics that will help you get better at prompt engineering are there in the description. You'll find the complete playlist of all these videos. Video number 1 was upskilling. Now today we are focusing on video number 2, which is talking about prompts that can help you get efficient results for your digital marketing. Prompt engineering is a skill that is very much needed today because ChatGPT is an AI that will work efficiently only when you prompt it in a particular fashion. Let's quickly get into the prompts that will help you develop better digital marketing results. First and foremost, let's understand and break down the overall prompt anatomy. First and foremost, assign a role to ChatGPT. I want you to act as a social media coach. Define the task. You need to mentor me from an Instagram profile. I'm currently at 2,500 followers and I want to hit 100K in 30 days. Structure a step-by-step plan specifying who my target audience should be and what topics should I make and what is the strategy around the content related to Instagram. Define the goals, set expectations, and build a 30-day Instagram calendar, uploading a schedule. Let's quickly try to understand that if we are trying to give such a structured prompt, what is the kind of result that we are getting. We'll quickly get into ChatGPT. You will have to log in using the Gmail login that you have, and we will try to now copy paste the structured prompt that we just told you, and let's see what are the results that we get from ChatGPT, because this is what we want to learn today and understand. Let's quickly copy paste this one, and this, as I just told you, we have given a 30-day calendar requirement for ChatGPT to build a strategy around Instagram. Let's quickly try to see what is the things that ChatGPT is giving me. That first and foremost, define your target audience, establish your brand identity, content strategy, and moving on to all storytelling techniques related to contents, as well as all structured way that you will develop a good strategy, engage with your audience, and this will be your calendar that ChatGPT is helping you with, that how you have to place your posts, what should be your sequence, what should be your repeat pattern. Everything ChatGPT has helped you with. Now let's quickly get on to another marketing related prompt that will help you understand that what is the way forward for marketing related topics for using prompt engineering. Let's quickly get on to the next one, which we are focusing upon, that I want to actually develop an ad. So I will assign a role that act as a senior copywriter, create an ad copy for a handbag with an average budget, stylish, long-lasting, set expectations. Your objective is to communicate unique features, benefits of the products, and ultimately drive conversions. It's very important that you give clear, specific information so that it develops a particular kind of response that you need. Very important that you don't have to copy paste these prompts, but probably try to develop your own as well. Let's quickly now move on to ChatGPT. That will help us now try to use this prompt that I have given you and try to see what is the response that you are getting. Let's quickly paste this prompt that we just spoke about, that we want to have you as the senior copywriter, build an ad copy for us, and run an ad on Instagram. Let's try to see what is the kind of information that ChatGPT is going to build for us, right? It's trying to give us a clear ad copy in which it is highlighting all the features, structures, everything that you need for an ad that is trying to promote a handbag. You can see everything, call to action, everything, all the links are clearly mentioned, right? This is a way that you could improve your digital marketing and try to actually get into a better ad making using ChatGPT marketing prompts. Let's quickly get on to yet another prompt with regards to marketing that will help you understand and move ahead. Let's quickly move on to the next one, which is talking about a cold email, right? A lot of people use email marketing, and if you want to really develop your audience and keep reminding them about your product, email marketing is one good way. Let's try to get into the prompt details. What it says: act as a cold email specialist, write a cold email who is a fitness influencer, to introduce a fitness tracker watch named FitPulse. You have defined the goal, set the constraints, set the expectations, increase the chances of response by creating an interest in the recipient to take an action for the product, right? This is what we are expecting ChatGPT to do in this kind of a prompt that will help us develop a cold email. Let's quickly get on to ChatGPT and try to see, when I'm trying to put a prompt like this, what is the kind of response that am I getting. Let's quickly get into it. Let's quickly get into copy pasting the prompt that is developed to actually give you a targeted outcome for a cold email. Let's quickly paste this and let's try to see what is the kind of email that ChatGPT is developing, right? You can see ChatGPT has introduced the product. It's specifying the key highlights, bringing to attention what is important, what are the areas of interest that you would have in terms of key features, and everything that is required with this kind of product. Here you see 3 types of prompts we developed and indicated to you that can boost your marketing a lot and bring you a lot of customers. Try to use ChatGPT as a tool. Use prompt engineering, be specific, be detailed, and the way as we showed you, right? Let's quickly move on to the next one that we are going to talk about is prompts for content creation. This is part of the complete playlist. The next video you will find in the description box. You will find the original resource of these videos. Also there in the description box, you can check out their ebook as well as join their course. All of it is there in the description box. This content is developed to make you understand and use these prompt engineering topics better. So do check out the playlist in the description. And if you like this video so far, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you so much and bye bye.